Hi guys, in this video I give you a quick guide to clean your Windows 11 system and to check for viruses and malware without installing additional software on your computer. First, press the Windows and the R button on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. Type in %, temp %, and press enter. Select all files inside this folder and delete them. Now you need to do the same process for the other folders I'm showing you now. Type in temp, press enter and delete all the files inside this folder. Then type in prefetch, press enter and also delete all the files inside this folder. Lastly, type in SoftwareDistribution, press enter and delete everything inside this folder. After that, press the Windows key on your keyboard or just press the Windows button right here in the taskbar. You can also just click inside the search bar, type in CMD, right click on the search result and select Run as Administrator. In the black command window right here, type in sfc/scannow and press enter. Wait for the scan to complete. Once done, type in the following command. You can copy and paste it from my video description. Press enter and wait for the scan to finish as well. After cleaning and repairing your system, it's time to run a full virus scan. Click on the Windows button or inside the search bar, type in Windows Security, open it and on the left sidebar click on Virus and Threat Protection, click on Scan Options, select Full Scan and let it run. After that, run the Windows built-in malicious software removal tool, short MRT. You can open it by pressing the Windows and the R button on your keyboard, type in MRT and press enter. Click on Next, select Full Scan and allow the tool to check for any malware or harmful software. Thank you for watching and see you next time.